My video shut off a minute ago. This is all 5 puppies. The one with the lightning bolt down its back is Twizzler. The one scratching its ear with no thumbprint on the head is Starburst. This little balloon with the thumbprint is Skittles. Little white body and black head is the little girl, Tootsie, and this almost completely black puppy is Hershey Kisses. Somebody's biting, that's Twizzler biting Tootsie, making her cry. Big brother beating up on sister. Okay, Twizzler, don't play so rough, kiddo. Someone else is going to come and attack someone else. Well, he likes to play with Tootsie. These 3 here look like they're about ready for a nap. Come on, Twizzler, leave her alone. Yeah, they're settling down for a nap. I think this Skittles is asleep with his head on the wooden bar. Tootsie's asleep. Starburst is asleep. Hershey Kisses just laid down. Twizzler's still raring to go, but nobody left to play with. Oh, Hershey Kisses is going to wake up. Well, looks like Starburst is awake.